Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how you can make money online. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities for people to earn extra income or even start their own businesses. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 legit ways to make money online. Tip number 1, freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money online if you have a skill or talent that you can offer to clients. Freelancers can offer services such as writing, graphic design, programming, social media management, and more. If your goal is to start freelancing, you might feel ready to take any paid work on Fiverr or Upwork you can get your hands on. But as you get deeper into your freelancing career, you'll need to start being more strategic about the types of work you do and the clients you take on. When you specialize in a skill set, you become an expert in a specific field, and experts can charge more for their specialized services. If you choose the right niche, decide to specialize, and put some effort into branding yourself as an expert within your niche can really pay off for years to come. There are many platforms where you can find freelance work as a beginner, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Tip number 2, online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services. Many students and parents are looking for online tutors who can help with homework, test prep, and academic subjects. If you dream of teaching math, writing, gardening, or toy making, you can. Any subject with an audience is fair game. But too many options can sometimes lead to decision paralysis. How will you ever choose which subject to tutor in? The Passion/Profit Matrix can help. To use the Passion/Profit Matrix, start by brainstorming all the topics you might be interested in teaching. One big benefit of being an independent tutor is that there are no formal requirements other than knowledge of the subject area. As long as you know the material well, you don't need to have specific degrees or certifications to get started. You can offer your services on platforms such as Chegg, TutorMe, and Wezant. Tip number 3, selling products online. Selling products online is a great way to start your own business and make money. You can sell physical products on platforms such as Amazon or Etsy, or you can sell digital products such as ebooks or courses on platforms like Gumroad or Teachable. Tip number 4, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing where you promote other people's products and earn a commission on each sale. You can become an affiliate marketer for companies such as Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to have a platform, such as a blog or social media account, where you can promote the products. Tip number 5, online surveys. With inflation remaining near a 40-year high and the holidays fast approaching, you may be looking for ways to make some extra money outside of your standard 9 to 5. Holiday gifts and travel costs are expected to be pricier this year, so it wouldn't hurt to seek out a passive income stream and set a budget to ensure you're in a good spot this holiday season. Paid online surveys require time, energy, and effort in order to make a good sum of money. It's entirely possible to make a few $100s each month if you're willing to dedicate the time and if you happen to qualify for a variety of surveys. However, if you're not looking to invest or worry about creating products for a side business, then there is a simple option, paid surveys. You just have to pick a vetted and trusted paid survey site, sign up for a free account and start filling out surveys and questionnaires or participate in games. Some of the best paying surveys are longer, at least 40 minutes, and are seeking feedback from a very specific demographic or audience. Be realistic about what you're qualified for. Before taking a lengthy survey on a specific topic, you'll have to undergo a 5-minute screener. Online surveys are a quick and easy way to make some extra cash. Many companies are looking for feedback from consumers and are willing to pay for it. You can sign up for survey sites such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research. Tip number 6, virtual assistants. Virtual assistants is a type of freelancing where you provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. Virtual assistants can offer services such as email management, scheduling, data entry, and more. You can find virtual assistant work on platforms such as Upwork or Zirtual. Tip number 7, online market trading. Online market trading is a type of investment where you buy and sell stocks, bonds, or other securities online. You can use platforms such as eTrade, TD Ameritrade, or Robinhood to trade online. Keep in mind that market trading can be risky, so it's important to do your research and invest wisely. Tip number 8, social media management. Working from home or while traveling is the ultimate dream for many people. One such job that allows you to do this and work on your own schedule is by being a freelance social media manager. Social media is one of the top ways that businesses, bloggers, and YouTubers can connect with their audience, and believe it or not, many of these business owners don't have the time or energy to focus on their social media. That's where a freelance social media manager comes in. A freelance social media manager helps to craft content, write captions, gain followers, and ultimately manage a variety of social media accounts. Some freelance social media managers will focus more specifically on a specific niche, such as working with only travel bloggers or sports businesses, while others are more general. Another way to be in a specific niche is to manage only a certain social media account, such as Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Social media managers also sometimes delve into other areas of work in order to curate content for the accounts they manage. A lot of the tools you need to become a freelance social media manager can quickly be learned online through platforms like Skillshare or YouTube. There are also a lot of different courses created by successful social media managers that you can take to make sure that you have all the pieces necessary to start your business. If you have experience with social media, you can offer social media management services to businesses or individuals. Social media managers can create content, manage accounts, and run advertising campaigns. You can find social media management work on platforms such as Upwork or Indeed. Tip number 9: online coaching. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can offer online coaching services. Coaching can be related to business, health, fitness, relationships, and more. You can offer coaching services on platforms such as Coach.me or Udemy. Tip number 10: blogging. Blogging is a great way to make money online if you enjoy writing and have a topic you're passionate about. You can monetize your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products. To be successful in blogging, you need to create high-quality content, promote your blog, and build a loyal audience. Making money online is possible, and there are many legit ways to do it. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or want to start your own online business, there are plenty of options available. Some of the ways we discussed in this video include freelancing, online tutoring, selling products online, affiliate marketing, online surveys, virtual assistants, online market trading, social media management, online coaching, and blogging. Remember, whatever path you choose to take, it's important to do your research and put in the effort to be successful. Making money online requires hard work, dedication, and persistence. But with the right mindset and the right tools, you can achieve your goals and create a successful online business. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to make money online.